Strategy follows tactics. As form should follow function, strategy should follow tactics. That is, the achievement of tactical results is the ultimate and only goal of a strategy. If a given strategy doesn't contribute to tactical results, then the given strategy is faulty. No matter how brilliantly conceived or eloquently presented, strategy should be developed from the bottom up, not the top down. Only a general with deep, intimate knowledge of what happens on the battlefield itself is in a position to develop an effective strategy. Strategy should evolve out of the mud of the marketplace, not in the antiseptic environment of an ivory tower. The objective of a grand strategy is to make operations work on a tactical level. It has no other purpose. In other words, to facilitate the application of the principle of force on a tactical level. A grand strategy may be awesome, inspirational, audacious, and bold, yet an utter failure if it doesn't put troops in the field in exactly the right place and at the right time to accomplish the job tactically. There is no such thing as a bad strategy, or a good one for that matter. Strategies have no inherent merit in and of themselves. They are not like the plot of a novel or the outline of a movie, just waiting for someone to give them wings with the right words and music. Unlike works of art, which are often judged on their originality, creativity, and boldness of thought, strategies should be judged for their effectiveness only at the point they come in contact with the one you are trying to help or your competition. In military warfare, the serious student of strategy begins with the study of the bayonet. All the great military strategists have followed the same pattern. They learn strategy first, learning the tactics of warfare. Strategy follows tactics.